Hello, it's Kai Stray Kid, and today we will be reviewing Darrell Cartrip.
Fun.
He's got metal Disney Pixar cars, his artwork, his name tag, Darrell Cartrip. Mattel Racing cars, and he's got Lizzie, Aiken Axler, Sarge, Holiday Hotshot, Lightning McQueen, Flo, Darrell Cartrip himself, and Christmas Cruiser Ramon. We got a bunch of words made in Thailand. Now we're gonna open him up. And there he is. His expression. His grill. Yellow lights. He's got flames. Number 17. He's got 17. He's got red flames of yellow and blue. 17. He's got Boogidy 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 in red. He's got light year tires. Silver gray tires.
Rims.
He's got DWstore.com.
The same thing.
The other side's the same thing. And there he is. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye.